guys, so it's been, what, today's Wednesday night, so it's been like 2 weeks I've had this truck on the road. I put, let's say, 1,100 miles on it so far. It's doing perfect. I ended up finding some 4th generation Dodge seats I'm putting in it right now currently. I've also got a unboxing to do on a shifter I bought from a guy that's actually local to Tennessee that started making them. So I'm gonna let y'all see those and try to give you an idea of where you can get your hands on those and see what y'all like about them. I'm gonna give you an honest to God answer on them. I'm not biased, I'm not sponsored. I paid pretty much full price for it. I did ask for a discount code and he did give it to me. Thank you, Shop, for that. But I'm gonna take a video of me installing that, let y'all see how it works, kind of get y'all an idea if y'all want one. And give y'all an overview of how the truck's been doing. But I'm gonna put you on a time lapse as I do the shifter so y'all can kind of keep an eye on that without me talking your heads off. All right, guys, so here's the old one. Here's the new one. I don't know if you can tell the difference. There you go. Quite a bit longer. So that's gonna make it set like that. That's the plan. I think it'll look pretty good. Anybody need a stock one? Here you go. I'll throw it at you. But I'm gonna put y'all back on time lapse so I put this back together, and then I'll show you some stuff about the truck that I've been dealing with that really there's nothing that I'm dealing with. It's grinding 3rd gear a little bit, but I just short shifted to not have to deal with that. I've got a toddler over here making a noise, sorry about that. So I'm gonna do this real quick, throw this back on here, and then I might tie y'all in as I put this other 4th gen seat in the front. All right, guys, so I got it put in. Of course, you can see how much taller it is than a factory one. I had one of these in a 4th gen about, I guess it's been about 3 years ago, and I really liked it. So I thought if I can find one, I'm putting one in this one. I've been looking, and there's websites out there, I'm not gonna name names, but there's some websites out there that are really expensive to do this. And I was just not gonna pay big money for literally a piece of rod that's threaded on both ends. And so I just kind of been putting it off. Well, I got on Marketplace the other night and was playing around and found some from a guy up in Kingsport, Tennessee. Here's his decals. I'm actually helping him get his decals made. It's full tilt shifters. I don't know if y'all can see that in that video, but he's really cool dude. He's just starting up, just like I was with my exhaust shop in April last year. Always support your small businesses. So that was a very easy install, as y'all can see in the video. It just flew together easily. Bends were in the right spot. Put it in. I mean, here you see it. I'll take it over here and go from 1st to 2nd. And I've still got plenty of room. I'm not gonna be bumping my cups in the floor or nothing like that. Over here in reverse, it's still not too far away to get to. Just seems to be very well. I'll drive with it and I'll let y'all know how that goes. Not too bad, not too bad.
Brother, this guy stinks! Okay.
Alright guys, if y'all think y'all need one of these shifters, I got the guy. I'll put him in the description and try to get y'all hooked up. He's like I said, he's a local business just trying to get going, so we gotta show them guys our support. So I'm gonna go back here and park this thing and go drag home another old Ford tomorrow. I appreciate y'all sticking with me through this video, and maybe we can find something else to do to this truck the next few weeks to make another update on it. I have a few things in the works that I will make videos on once I get there, but it's all cosmetics. It's nothing to do with like drivetrain or anything at the moment, but I will keep y'all in touch with what I'm doing as I do it. I'll make videos. I do want to put a different radio in this thing, as this one's from Stone Age. There's Aubrey. Everybody say hi to Aubrey. It's don't even have Bluetooth, it's just aux only, so I'd like to change that. But anyway, I appreciate y'all. God bless you. Keep watching.